Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bhakti Gaul and we are discussing interview based questions on SAP ABAP. So let's move to the next question. What is RISE-FW? Reports, interface, conversion, enhancement, forms and workflow. So let's see everything in detail now. Reports. It is nothing but a report programming. It can be classical report programming, that is, we use write statements to print the output, or ALV programming, where we use ALV function modules or ABAP objects to print the output. T code here is SE38. Interfaces. Interfaces are ALE, that is application link enabling, used in SAP to transfer master and transactional data between different logical systems or ad hoc. Ad hoc is nothing but intermediate document. Communication of SAP system to SAP or non-SAP system and vice versa can be called as with the help of interfaces. T code SE37. Convergence. BDC, that is batch data communication programming, comes under convergence. This is nothing but uploading of data from non-R3 system to R3 SAP systems. T codes are SHDB, SM35. Enhancements. Adding our own functionality to existing SAP standard functionality without having any modification in the original application. This is nothing but an enhancement. Body can be used as an enhancement. Body is nothing but a business add-in. T codes are SE18, SE19. Forms. It can be SAP script or smart forms. This tool can be used to print or send the documents. Also to develop the PDFs or emails for the internet. T code is smart forms. Workflow. This is nothing but a tool for the automation of the business process consisting of sequence of steps, task or event. Users will be able to see the notification for the task waiting in the SAP inbox for approval or action. Okay, so whatever the new terms you heard in this video will be further explained in the upcoming videos. Thank you.